find the percentage of increase between two numbers. Let's say that your earnings are $2,342 in November and $2,500 in December. What is the percentage of change in your earnings between these 2 months? You can calculate the difference by subtracting your new earnings from your original earnings, and then divides the result by your original earnings. Calculate a percentage of increase. 1. Click any blank cell. 2. Type equals open bracket, 2,500 minus 2,342, close bracket, slash 2,342. And then press enter. The result is 0.06746. 3. Select the cell that contains the result from step 2. 4. On the Home tab, click %. The result is 6.75%, which is the percentage of increase in earnings.